Welcome back to Sui Crypto. So we have some breaking news today. The Sui native bridge is live on mainnet. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and test this out, and we're going to bridge some ETH to Sui. Nothing I say is financial advice. It's for education and entertainment purposes only. I'll go ahead and link to this article by the Sui Foundation, which came out today, September 30th. It says bridge goes live on mainnet today, providing a connection between Ethereum and Sui. So this is pretty big news. Sui Bridge is the native solution for moving assets to and from external ecosystems such as Ethereum. They're secured by Sui's own network validators. Sui Bridge transactions are protected by the same infrastructure that powers and secures Sui itself. We're on bridge.sui.io, and in this example, like I said, we're going to bridge some ETH from a MetaMask wallet to the Sui blockchain using a Sui wallet. First of all, I'm going to open MetaMask. I have a little bit of ETH, about $40 worth. Let's show you my Sui wallet just so we know what we have as a starting point. So you can see I currently have 165 Sui. So step one, we need to connect our MetaMask wallet. Go ahead and say MetaMask and connect it. Click next, confirm. Okay, so my MetaMask wallet's connected. Now I need to connect my Sui wallet. So I'm gonna click up here and I'm gonna click on Sui wallet. So my MetaMask wallet is connected and my Sui wallet's connected. So I'm gonna go from Ethereum to Sui. This is my Sui wallet address at Sui. In the last video, we did a Sui NS domain name. So check that one out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and say max. We're gonna get that much ETH, it looks like, over to Sui, which I'll take. So right here, it shows you estimated gas, and it says that's how much we'll receive. And I'm gonna go ahead and say bridge assets. So again, it says estimated changes, you send that much, bridge to Sui. Estimated gas is that much. I'm going to say confirm. It didn't pop up on this screen, but it says confirm transaction. Okay, so transaction details initiated. Ethereum may take 13 minutes or more, so pending, but that was really simple. I've done some other bridges where it's pretty complicated. That was literally just connecting with my MetaMask wallet for the ETH and my Sui wallet for the Sui and signing one transaction. So I'll pause the video, be right back when this is complete. So about 5 minutes have passed and it's changed now to verifying. We're in the verifying stage. I'll go ahead and pause it again and be back when we move to the next stage. All right, so the process has finished. You can see claimed and delivered. It took about 15 minutes or so, and you can see here's a destination wallet. The gas fee was sponsored. They cover the gas fee on the Sui side. View on Explorer. That's going to open up Sui Vision. You can see success. If we go back, take a look at my Sui wallet. You'll see here is ETH by Sui is now in my wallet. And if we go take a look at the blog that they posted today, September 30th, it says Sui Bridge currently supports ETH and WETH transfers between Sui and Ethereum. This focused launch approach enables a stable and secure user experience for Bridge users. Future updates will expand to support additional assets. So probably stable coins and other things as well. So that's going to be big. It goes on to say liquidity from WETH USDC pools will begin migrating to ETH USDC pools starting next week. So we'll see more functionality with this, but for right now the bridge is open to bring ETH over, and it just opened today. So stay tuned for more updates and prepare for the next wave of developments that will build upon Sui Bridge. So just another step for the ecosystem to onboard users from other large chains. So I'll do a follow-up video as this continues to evolve and more assets are added, but just wanted to do this today, just again a few hours after it was moved to Sui mainnet. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.